Hi, my name is Christine Malone, and I'm the principal at Concordia Seattle in the Wedgwood neighborhood. We'd like to invite you to our open house on January 18th at 6:30 p.m. Concordia is a unique school for many reasons, but I'd like to share three of them. First, we have small class sizes. We have a 15-to-1 student-teacher ratio. Second, we reach your child where they're at. And what that means in our community is that we find out where they're at. We find out if academically they're at, below, above grade level, and challenge them where they're at. And it's not just about academics. We also focus on their social, emotional, physical, and spiritual health. And we keep working towards them, with them, challenging them on an ongoing basis. Third, we're affordable. We are a private school with tuition. However, in comparison to other private schools, we're about a third the cost. I'd like to invite you to that open house again on January 18th. I'll be there, other teachers will be there, and we hope to see you there too to learn more about our community.